Welcome back to Short Stories for English Learners. Today's story is called The Mysterious Gift. It's about a young boy, an unexpected present, and the lesson of gratitude. Listening to stories like this helps improve your listening skills and expands your vocabulary. Stick around until the end, where we'll review today's key words. Let's begin. In a small, quiet village, there lived a young boy named Leo. Leo was cheerful, loved to play outside, and was always kind to his neighbors. One sunny morning, as Leo was walking to the market, he saw a small, wrapped box lying on the side of the road. It had a shiny red ribbon and a note that read, "For someone special." Leo looked around, but there was no one in sight. "Who left this here?" he wondered. Curious, he picked up the box and decided to ask the villagers if they had lost it. First, he went to Mrs. Turner, the baker. "Did you drop this gift?" he asked. Mrs. Turner shook her head. "No, but it looks lovely. Maybe it belongs to Mr. Green at the flower shop." So Leo went to see Mr. Green, but Mr. Green said, "It's not mine. Why don't you check with the school teacher, Miss Rose?" Leo visited Miss Rose, but she hadn't lost the gift either. "Leo, you're such a kind boy for looking for the owner," she said with a smile. Leo decided to take the box home. As he walked through the village, he thought about all the people he'd met that day. Everyone had been kind to him, just as he tried to be kind to others. When Leo got home, he opened the box. Inside, there was a small note that said, "Kindness always comes back to you." Beneath the note was a golden heart-shaped charm. Leo smiled. He realized the gift wasn't just for someone special. It was for someone who tried to make others feel special. From that day forward, Leo wore the charm around his neck as a reminder to always be kind. And strangely enough, good things seemed to happen to him wherever he went. Now let's go over some key words from today's story. Gift. Something given to someone. Leo found a mysterious gift on the road. Curious, wanting to know or learn something. Leo was curious about who left the box. Kindness, being nice and caring to others. The note said, "Kindness always comes back to you." Special, better or more important than others. The box was labeled for someone special. Charm, a small decorative object. Leo found a golden charm in the box. Great job. Try using these words in sentences to remember them better. Thank you for listening to today's story, The Mysterious Gift. If you enjoyed it, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who's learning English. Remember, kindness always comes back to you. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next story.